Kubota 4690 Backhoe specs. Kubota Corporation, headquartered in Osaka, Japan, started in 1890, and it produces different types of farm and landscaping equipment, including tractors, backhoes and loaders. A backhoe has a bucket on the back of the machine that you can use for digging and moving material. One of the Kubota backhoes is the BL 4690 series. You can purchase this machine from authorized dealers or rent one for short-time needs. Bucket. Kubota produced 4 models of backhoes under the BL 4690 series, and these models included the following: B7800 LA402 BL 4690A, L3430 LA723 BL 4690B, L3130 LA513 BL 4690B and L3830 LA723 BL 4690B. These models come with digging buckets, and the largest size bucket that you can purchase is 2 feet wide. The minimum size bucket that you can purchase is 10 inches wide. The bucket digs up to 7 feet 6.2 inches deep, and these buckets hold a maximum of 60 cubic yards of heaped material, which is the total amount the B7800 LA402 BL 4690A model can carry. The minimum amount of heaped material that these buckets can hold is 0.3667 cubic yards, which is the total amount that the L3130 LA513 BL 4690B model can carry. Both the L3830 LA723 BL 4690B and the L3430 LA723 BL 4690B models hold up to 0.4 cubic yards of heaped material. Dumping height. The dump clearance height of all of these backhoes, except the L3130 LA513 BL 4690B model, is 6 feet 8.3 inches. The L3130 LA513 BL 4690B model has a clearance of 6 feet 6.5 inches. The dump clearance height refers to height of the bucket after it dumps its load. Power. The Kubota 4690 backhoes produce power to move the machine forward and to maneuver the attachments. The backhoes in this series produce a minimum of 27 horsepower HP and a maximum of 37.4 horsepower. The B7800 LA402 BL 4690A model produces the least amount of horsepower, while the L3830 LA723 BL 4690B model produces the most. The L3130 LA513 BL 4690B model creates 31 horsepower of net power, and the L3430 LA723 BL 4690B model produces up to 33.6 horsepower. Weight. The maximum operating weight of all of these machines is 3,220 pounds, which is the weight of the L3430 LA723 BL 4690B. The minimum weight is 3,120 pounds, which is the weight of the L3130 LA513 BL 4690B model. The operating weight refers to the weight of the machine with a full tank of gas and the weight of an average person.